What's up guys? Today I'm so excited to be unboxing the AutoBrush and the kids, the adult. I've got a whole bunch of stuff to show you guys today and I can't wait to get started. First, I've got the kids AutoBrush. This one has the head of a hippo. Next, we have the Daniel Tiger AutoBrush for kids. Are you kidding me? Braddock is gonna be so excited. And finally, we have my AutoBrush. It has care mode, deep cleaning mode, and a massage mode. You can also combine the red and blue light to help promote whiter teeth and healing the gums at the same time. The LED red light actually helps promote soft tissue healing. It helps reduce inflamed gums. Now it does use basic technology, helps with that 45-degree angle, and it has high vibrations to really get rid of that bacteria. This has a 30-second, 60-second, and 90-second program. It is effective and safe on the enamel and the gums. I know I was worried about making sure it was okay for my gums. You definitely don't want to cause more recession, but it sounds like this is great at preventing recession, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and get started unboxing the adult toothbrush that I'm going to be using. Okay, so it looks like we have a nice charger right here. We have the battery, and we have the AutoBrush. Directions, always helpful. So these directions actually point out there's so much human error in the 2 minutes that you should be taking to brush your teeth. Whether you're using an electric toothbrush, a manual toothbrush, so much room for human error. Is the angle right? Are you brushing too hard? It has up to 30,000 sonic pulsations per minute. It does advertise that is a lot quieter than a traditional electric toothbrush. I know some of the toothbrushes that I use honestly sound like there's a jackhammer in my mouth. Okay, I thought that these were batteries. It's actually a charging plug. Here we go. Boom, boom. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this charger. And it is magnetized, which is always super nice. It just goes right in there. So you can just set this AutoBrush just right in there. So nice, really clean. You can wipe that out so easily. I love that. If you can see this, you turn it on and you're able to select the mode that you want to use, the color of the light you'd like to use. So you have the option between blue, red, or blue and red. And then you can choose the time which you'd like to brush for. These are easy to push. You can hear that you can select between all of them. It does say that there's also a light only mode where you can just focus on whitening or treating the gingivitis in your mouth. You'll just hold that light on there and it will know to stay on for 10 minutes. That's awesome. It does take 4 hours for this to fully charge, and then once it's fully charged, you'll see it turn green, and it can last you up to a week before you will have to charge it again. As always, make sure that you are reading the instructions before you actually begin to use this product. And you know what? I'm excited to try it. Let's go get started. Different angles. Holy cow, that's awesome. Turn this on. I'm gonna use that color and I'm going to do 60 seconds. I'm gonna bite in firmly and then you're gonna rotate around. Wow, I actually was not expecting it to clean as well as it did because it doesn't shake your entire mouth, but my teeth feel like I just got them polished at the dental office. So now when you're all finished up, before you rinse it off, you are gonna want to take this off. There we go, and rinse it out. And then I actually never, ever, ever rinse after brushing my teeth, and I don't eat or drink anything for at least 30 minutes so that my teeth can really get all of the benefits from the toothpaste. Where this does have that nano silver technology, you especially want to really let that sit in there and fully get all of the benefits from that. All right, let's go ahead and get started with my kids and see how they like it. Okay, Harper, what kind of toothbrush is yours?
Hippo.
Dang, that's cool. And Braddock. Braddock, who's that?
Daniel Tiger.
It's Daniel Tiger. That's so cool. I'm going to help you open yours. You ready?
Yeah.
There's a special surprise. Open it up. What do you think? That is amazing. Look at this amazing charger. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Let's see this one. Whoa. Look it.
No way.
Oh, that's so cool.
My lights up too.
That's amazing. Oh, and look at this cool charger. And you guys will know which ones go with which, because this one goes with Daniel and this one goes with the hippo. Wow. This size is just for Braddock. On right there.
What do you do with that? Like, how does it work?
Okay, let's do Harper's first. And we're just gonna do one pump. Woo! Like that. And you are gonna bite into it like this. And you're gonna go, okay, you're gonna kind of suck on it. So bite first. Are you biting in? Okay, and now push the button. And again. And you're gonna go side to side. And now up and down. And circles all the way back. Can you do it by yourself? And now other way. Right in, suck a little. Ready? Now go side to side, all the way back. Are your teeth feeling nice and clean, hun?
Yeah.
Yes, that's the best. All right, we're gonna do yours now, Braddock. We're gonna do one pump all the way down. Okay, and we're gonna start at the top.
Is it spicy?
Nope. Bite. All right, open. And now bite together. Yes, and that's how you go. Now hold on to it with both hands. Inside. And all the way to this side. We're gonna do it upside down. Okay, are your teeth in there? Say cheese. Let me see. Perfect. Now back and forth. All the way. Job. You did it. Okay, go ahead and spit. Okay, what do you think? Was it so much easier than using a toothbrush?
Yes.
Yeah, do you love the new way of brushing your teeth?
Yeah.
And how do your teeth feel? Are they clean? Lick your teeth, do they feel good?
I love my AutoBrush.